I started this adventure by drenching my Ikea rug in water, completely soaking it with water and laundry detergent. Once I was satisfied with how thoroughly soaked it was, I grabbed the smallest carpet brush you can imagine to start scrubbing. Why such a tiny brush, you ask? Well, it was the cheapest option I could find. Only 10 francs. But let me tell you, I paid for every franc I didn't spend on a proper brush with every ache in my body. This wasn't just a casual Saturday pastime. No, this was a full workout for a trained athlete. But the real challenge was yet to come. I repeated the entire process about 3 times. First I applied detergent, then I added more water. After that I scrubbed the rug, twice in each direction, horizontally and vertically. And then came the hardest part, getting all the water out. For this, I created a genius little tool. Why? To save some extra cash, of course. The professional version of this tool costs around 50 francs, but my DIY version was basically 2 pieces of 2x4 wood nailed together in a cross shape. Armed with my makeshift tool and sheer determination, I used all my strength and stamina to squeeze out as much water and soap as I could. And believe me, it worked to some degree. However, after repeating this entire process 3 or 4 times, I honestly lost count because it was so exhausting. I finally finished. But here's the thing, I wasn't even happy with the final result. The truth is, I can't recommend this method. If you're thinking of doing it, don't. Especially if you don't have a well-ventilated space for the rug to dry properly. In my case, after all that hard work, I was left with a dirty, smelly, waterlogged rug that took a full week to dry. So, learn from my mistake. Save yourself the cardiac workout and frustration. Either hire a professional or invest in a proper carpet cleaning machine. Speaking of which, I eventually bought one myself and it was totally worth it. You can check out the video about it here on my channel. If you found this video helpful or at least entertaining, leave a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.